A number of staff, blank the expulsion of the student. What is your subject here?
A number
A
of staff.
number.
A number only.
A number.
A number is your subject. Okay? Okay. So, si a number ang inyong subject here. So, ang mangyayari dyan, ang tanong, is it singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural.
Okay, this one is a hint. Pag nakita nyo si a number, few, both, many, several, all. Okay, at marami pang iba, ang tawag sa kanila ay infinitive
Infinitive pronouns.
pronoun. Para siyang si everyone and anyone. Pero 'di ba sila everyone, someone, everything, they always function as singular. Pag infinitive naman, they will always function as plural. Do you get my point?
Yes po.
So, clue na yan. Pag nakita nyo si a number, si few, both, many, automatic plural na yan. Huwag na kayo masyadong mag-aksaya ng oras because one of the major catastrophe na haharapin ninyo ay time. Time limit. Okay? So, a number of staff is plural. Okay. How about the number of staff? Wrong grammar na yan, Ma'am Sally. Pero kung the number yung ginamit, hindi na siya yung magiging subject. Yung subject na dyan is yung staff. Pero if you will say the number of staff, kasi ang gagawin, kung ganito kung the number na siya, the number of staff is 1. Okay? So dito, ang pinag-uusapan na dito, ilan yung staff. So yung staff, siya na yung subject, si is, ito ang verb. Nagigets ninyo? Kasi the yung ginamit. Now, hindi na siya infinitive pronoun. Ang bilang ng staff, yeah, correct. Okay, you will base your subject or yung verb mo doon na sa subject. Ito kasi si a number, infinitive pronoun pa siya. Kaya plural siya. Okay? Kanina pala may nagtatanong dito, Coach, paano po pag animals? Singular or plural pa din po ba sila? Plural pa din po. Because again, this rule only applies for food and object. Sa tao at sa hayop, hindi po nag-a-apply yung rule na to. Okay? So dito, going back here, what is our next step? We need to
Eliminate.
sinong i-eliminate natin?
Letter D. Letter B.
Letter D.
B.
Si B. At
B
si has.
and D.
D.
Okay. Now you are left with 2 possible answer. Now, do you have a time frame?
No.
No.
We don't
So,
have.
anong gagamitin natin?
Base 4.
Please. Present.
Present tense po.
Present tense.
A number of staff favor the expulsion of the student. Favor, present tense.